Start.
Hello everybody. We intend to invest in three aspects of fitness: physical, mental and spiritual. My Jan Seva Transformation Center is actually an alternative healing center. As per Indian Health Statistics 2009, the probability of dying between 15 and 60 years per thousand population is 250 males and 169 females. And as per World Health Statistics 2012, 1 in 6 adults is obese, 1 in 3 is hypertensive and 1 in 10 is a diabetic. Moreover, the Indian health profile as per WHO, you can see the adult risk factors, 11.1% of the Indian population aged 25 and plus has a raised blood glucose. 23.1% of the Indian population has a raised blood pressure. 1.3% of the Indian population is obese, and 26% of the Indian population use tobacco. So, going by these statistics, the health issue needs to be addressed at the earliest. For anything to achieve in life, the foremost thing required is to have a good body, mind and spirit, which is free from all diseases, so as to achieve ultimate medium for ultimate happiness. To achieve these basics and feel-good factor with the above objectives, we have planned a state-of-the-art Parivartan Kendra. As said earlier, it is basically a composite health center comprising of a field, playground, a well-equipped gym, having all kind of amenities like weight training, aerobics, cardio, spinning, sauna and steam bath, Ayurveda massage centers, physiotherapy clinic, meditation and yoga center, along with a cafe supported with the diet plans for the sole purpose of alternative healing. It is the Fit India mantra, which could be the timely health investment to save money and hardships in long-term health-related issues. And hence it is actually a pre-medical insurance with a premium. A premium for a reason, you can see. At a Copenhagen summit in May this year, the consensus among Nobel Prize economists was that it is not the Greece, it is not the exchange rate, nor what is happening in the United States. The best brains are looking at economic development and identifying health-related factors, including malnutrition as a #1 problem. The second most thing we need to address is the thoughts and the deeds which decide our destiny. To achieve this, we plan to set up an unconventional school comprising of self-hypnosis sessions, personality development classes, stress management therapy, de-addiction camps for the rehabilitation and Upasana mandirs. And Catch Them Young mantra, the talent mapping center for the teenagers who can't seem to put their finger on what they want to do in life, and hence to identify the passion and promote them to hone their skills in their respective fields. As of now, we have doctors from allopathic, homeopathic and Ayurvedic faculties. We hire the services of qualified trainers, dietitians, nutritionists, masseurs, meditation and yoga teachers. We tie up with the physiotherapists, doctors, psychiatrists and hypnotherapists and the experts having de-addiction expertise. For interest and talent mapping for the young teenagers, we have a psychometric tests for an insight into aptitudes and attitudes, career counselors and dermatographics multiple intelligence tests. We are targeting the basics of life along with the supplementary services which are not available under one roof. Our goal is to create a universal attitude bridging cultures and transforming human life and thought process. Thank you.